สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to O's Kitchen. Do you like tom yum and fried rice? Then you should watch this video.
In the kitchen where flavors collide, O's got the heat and taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go!
The ingredients for ข้าวผัดต้มยำ are today I use chicken, but you can use whatever you want like beef, pork, seafood, or also tofu. And then rice and mushroom. Today I use oysters, mushroom, tomato, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, coriander, galangal, chili, limes, then lime juice, and after that a little bit of sugar, fish sauce, chili paste, and a little bit of chicken stock. Now let's start to make ข้าวผัดต้มยำ Okay, at the first one I'm gonna add a little bit of oil into the pan. Okay. Waiting for a while when the oil getting hot, I add chicken. Chicken and I serve chili paste. Chili paste. Make more creamy. Okay. Some herb, all of herb, galangal, and chili. Okay. If it's dry, you can add a little bit of stock. Okay. Oh, smell is very nice. Okay. Fry. More is very flavorful. Okay. It's very nice smell. Okay, this menu we apply from we use both mixed between spicy soup and fried rice. It make more sound interesting. Like you can see, like if you like tom yum spicy soup and you like fried rice, you can try this menu. And after that, when the chicken is done, add a little bit more. Okay. Mushroom. You can use mushroom ever what you want. Like you can change to straw mushroom, thing like that. Okay. And I'm gonna season with sugar, a little bit of sugar, And you see? You see? Okay. And this sauce, and after that season with lime juice. Okay. I will try first. I will taste first, and after that, when the taste is totally perfect, I'm gonna add fried rice. And for normally, you should use like cold rice and already cooked, but not warm. Okay, let me try. Let me try first before I add rice. Okay, that's a little bit spicy. Okay. Okay. And tomato and coriander. And finally, okay, I want make tidy. I need tidy kitchen. Okay, and finally rice. Then stir until well, combine well. Like I said, you can use whatever you want for meat, or maybe you can make for vegan version. You can use tofu, of course. Okay, let me see. Okay, fried rice should not be more wet. Okay, I stir for a while. Okay, I think I done for cowผัดต้มยำ Very yummy, and you see, it's easy to make. Oh, I'm really hungry. And if you want to know more about easy and fast Thai food, please give me note in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Hope to see you again. Bye bye. And time to eat.
In the kitchen where flavors collide. Always got the heat and a taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go! Let's go!